Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. So last Fine Art Friday, I did a tribute to all of our healthcare workers during this pandemic crisis. I did a charcoal drawing of a nurse just overwhelmed by emotion from all of the stress and loss over this time. So if you would like to see that, click on the link above and that will take you to the step-by-step process of making that charcoal drawing. So today's Fine Art Friday is going to be a little bit different. One of my other hobbies or interests, I haven't really done much of it lately, is writing. And I've actually self-published a couple of books of collections of poems and short stories that I did with some friends of mine. So I thought about taking several poems out of that book and maybe painting a picture to go along with it. So the poem that I chose today is perfect for spring and it's called Ode to a Bluebird. I'm going to be doing a gouache watercolor of a bluebird while I recite the poem that I wrote. So hopefully you enjoy it, and if you want to see how that turned out, let's get started. So the book that the poem is published in is called Patchworks, and if you're interested in obtaining a copy of the book, let me know in the comments section below. So I will also put in a list of materials that I used down below in the description box. Ode to a Bluebird by Sue Demchina. Little bluebird meek and mild, what's it like for nature's child to soar above the treetops high and never have to wonder why? Why all our hopes hide under fears? Why many joys fade into tears? Why do allies become our foes? Why do differences lead to blows? Have we lost touch with God above? Can we win back our neighbor's love? Wasted talents and meaningless things prevent us all from spreading our wings. O little one with colors bright, you sing your song with all your might. You share your blessed gifts with us and live your life without a fuss. Come, humble bird, so full of glee, won't you share your secret with me? If ever we cease to ask him why, perhaps we too may learn to fly.